Introducing the sleek and powerful 2021 Volkswagen T-Roc 1.5TSI 150B Sport with trunk lid closing power, App Connect wireless, technology pack and more. This two-tone beauty boasts a 1.5 litre engine and only 32,968 kilometers on the clock. Packed with comfort and safety features like ambient lighting, collision avoidance braking and rear armrest, this T-Roc has it all. With luxury trim, a privacy glass and a trailer stability program, this vehicle offers both style and security. Plus, it comes with a full health check, comprehensive warranty and service to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information.